EasySim ESim review. Watch before using. Welcome to our review of EasySim ESim, a product designed to simplify connectivity for travelers and digital nomads alike. EasySim stands out for its straightforward setup, global compatibility, and flexible data plans tailored to various travel needs. Whether you're hopping between countries or staying put for an extended trip, EasySim ensures you're always connected without the hassle of physical SIM cards or high roaming charges. This eSIM is compatible with most modern smartphones and devices that support eSIM technology, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Setting up EasySim is a breeze. Once purchased, you'll receive a QR code via email. Simply scan the code with your device and your eSIM will be activated within minutes. No waiting, no lines at airport kiosks, and no risk of losing or damaging a physical SIM card. EasySim offers coverage in over 150 countries, so whether you're visiting Europe, Asia, the Americas, or Africa, you can rely on their network. The data plans range from one-day packages to long-term options, giving you the flexibility to choose what best fits your itinerary. What makes EasySim truly shine is its competitive pricing. Unlike many alternatives that lock you into expensive or inflexible plans, EasySim offers affordable rates with clear data limits and no hidden fees. Plus, the service provides real-time tracking of your data usage through a user-friendly app, so you're always in control. For heavy data users, there are unlimited data options in select regions, perfect for streaming, video calls, or running your online business while abroad. This eSIM is ideal for frequent travelers, remote workers, or anyone looking to avoid the frustration of swapping SIM cards in different countries. However, keep in mind that some regions may have slower speeds due to local network limitations, so check the coverage map on their website before purchasing. Additionally, EasySim does not include voice or SMS services, focusing solely on data, which may be a downside if you require traditional calling features. Overall, EasySim delivers on its promise of convenient, affordable, and reliable global connectivity. If you're looking for an eSIM that gets you connected without the stress, EasySim is a solid choice. Be sure to check their website for the latest offers and coverage updates. That's our review. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tech reviews.